Hello. A U.S. national has pleaded guilty in a Missouri court to operating a darknet carding site and selling stolen financial information belonging to tens of thousands of victims. The defendant, Edward Mihalo, assembled the team that helped him sell the stolen financial information on the darknet, the Department of Justice said in a press statement released on May 16, 2023. One of the defendant's accomplices, Taylor Ross Staats, worked as a card checker, ensuring that the financial information being sold is still valid and has not been cancelled by the respective financial institutions. He pleaded guilty on December 14, 2022, to one count of conspiracy to commit access device fraud for his role in the operation. Earlier this month, U.S. authorities shut down Try2Check, a popular Russian platform that was used by cybercriminals to confirm the legitimacy of stolen credit card information. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.